Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and we'll explain what needs to be done to remove or replace your rear wheel ABS sensors, also known as speed sensors, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why, guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do here at the shop and all the information we provide to you for free, guys. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where you can purchase parts for your car, guys, tools, anything like that for a super good price and fast shipping as well. Now, I'll explain what needs to be done now, guys. So we, guys, need to remove the rear wheel first. This is the first thing that we need to do. So jack your car up, always use a jack stand, remove the rear wheel, and once you remove your rear wheel, we'll explain what needs to be done. We'll demonstrate on the passenger side, but it should be about the same procedure on the driver's side, guys, as well. Now, looking right here, guys, okay, this is your brake line. This cable right here is for the ABS sensor, guys. Now let me just move the light a little bit. Okay, right there, this is your ABS sensor. Now what is a little bit interesting about that fact, you have to remove that bolt down there, but in order, guys, to remove that bolt, you have to actually, okay, let me explain quick, you need to get that brake line, okay, brake line loose, get it out of the way so you can actually remove the bolt. Otherwise we were not able to fit the tool. But after that you have to bleed your brakes, guys. If you find a way to remove the bolt without removing the brake line and without damaging the brake line, that will be great. So you disconnect it from the wheel hub by removing that bolt and you pull the sensor straight out. Once you pull it straight out, guys, okay, you're going to pull that fender liner, and now right here is where the connector is for the ABS sensor, guys. Okay, right there. So all we have to do, disconnect it from here, pull it out, and you will be ready to go, guys. You can see, not very complicated at all. Just quick video to explain to you guys what needs to be done for any of you that need to do that. From here, how you disconnect it from the brake line, you just pull those clips, okay, and they come off. So pretty easy. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you need to buy a new sensor, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.